Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. So, overall, this is how to make money with affiliate links, affiliate marketing, a passive income source. So, passive income, that's the dream, right? Make money while you sleep. For 99% of people, affiliate marketing is how they get started. The idea behind affiliate marketing is that you promote other people's products, often through an affiliate network, earning a commission if people actually end up buying thanks to your marketing. So you're basically doing the marketing for a product or service, and then the vendor, whoever produces that product or service, they'll pay you a small commission or percentage of the sale price of that product or service. So it's based on revenue sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more, you can offer promoters a financial incentive through an affiliate program. If you have no product and want to make money, then you can promote a product that you feel has value and earn an income from it as an affiliate marketer. So the customer or consumer makes the affiliate system go round. Without sales, there aren't any commissions to hand out and no revenue to be shared. The affiliate will try to market to the consumer on whatever channel they see fit, whether that's a social network, digital billboards, or through a search engine using content marketing on a blog or any website that they might own. So whether the consumer knows that they are part of an affiliate marketing system or not, this is mostly left up to the affiliate. Some people choose to let their consumers know, and more affiliates tend to be transparent about their marketing being incentivized financially, but others don't. So it's basically up to the person doing the affiliate marketing. If they want to disclose that this is part of an affiliate link, they'll make money by you purchasing through that link. And in the case of promoting consumer products like tools, books, toys, and household items, the biggest affiliate network by far is Amazon. Their Amazon Associates affiliate program lets you promote any single item that you choose that is sold on their platform. So basically, any product you want to sell from Amazon that you want an affiliate link, you can do that. And once you get the link, if someone buys using that link, that certain product, you'll earn a small commission from Amazon based on the sale price. So anyone can sign up and then generate a custom affiliate link to Amazon products. If someone purchases through your link, you earn a small commission, like I said. So now that we got the basic terms clarified and a simple understanding of this concept, let's get an overview of how you can best get started building your affiliate marketing income source. There are 3 steps that you need to follow. Number 1, you need to begin to review products in your niche. So for example, this YouTube channel, the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, we focus on finance, self-development, stocks, investing, anything like that. So this is my niche. So what I can do to begin increasing my affiliate marketing income from that is by reviewing products in my niche. So I could be reviewing brokerages, anything like that, books. So I can start beginning to do that. That will be step number 1. Number 2, building an email list. Collecting emails from customers helps you a lot because that way you have that contact that you can use to let them know about any new product or service you're excited about or you're offering, anything like that. It really helps, and there's many programs that you can use to do this. Number 3 is using live webinars to educate your audience and make sales. So the more content you produce on a certain product or service, and the more you educate the customer on why this product or service will be beneficial to them, the more sales you're likely to make using that referral link that you will be including. And there are some people that choose to use paid advertising to advertise the referral links, but this is very risky because you definitely have to make sure that you make more profits than the cost of advertising, because you will be charged for advertising. And you might have this question: why would a company offer to pay people to market their products, and because that seems like it'll like waste their money from the sale, by giving out some of the profit to the affiliate marketer. But actually, this is actually cheaper for companies to do, because often advertising is very expensive, but if they're able to do affiliate marketing where other people incentivize people to buy or get the service of that company, then the commission is not really that much for them. It's a lot less than what they would pay for advertising. So it's a cheap way for them to spread the word on their product or service. So many companies like Amazon are very happy to do this, because it creates a lot of attention, and social media especially. And you can use any platform to do this: YouTube, Google, Facebook, pretty much any public site that you can use where there's a lot of people using it. This tends to be the best mediums to do this. And you'll see this a lot in YouTube. It's very common here, because often people have a large base of viewers that see their videos every single day. So this is very common for you to see. Right now I'm working on this as well. I'm hoping that I can begin to make more money through affiliate marketing. I want to show you some examples of 3 specific examples that I have that is a way of me making money through affiliate marketing. And I'll be showing you exactly how I did this and how you can as well. Alright, so my first affiliate link that I have, and I actually made a thumbnail of this one so I can show you directly. So this will be with a selling platform, Mercari, that I use to sell anything that I have in my house of value that I can sell to make money. And I love this platform personally. That's why I recommend it to anyone. So you can actually buy as well in this platform. And this is a $10 off your first purchase referral link. So if you use this referral link, you're able to make a purchase and get a $10 coupon if you use the following link that I have displayed there. So this is an example of affiliate marketing. Number 2 is M1 Finance. This is a brokerage I recently started using that I actually really like. So you'll get $20 for your first investment with M1 Finance, and this is only for this month. So if you use that link that I have there on the banner, you'll be able to get a $20 reward that you can use for your investments in M1 Finance only this month. So this is another example of a referral link for this brokerage. It helps me and it helps the person using the link, because it's $20 for that person and $20 for me. And then the last referral link that I have is a free stock. If you begin investing with Robinhood, you simply use that link, and me and the person that used the link get a completely free stock. It's gonna be random, but so those are 3 examples of referral links that I use. And with the Mercari one, I forgot to mention, is $10 off your first purchase, and then it also gets me a $10 off coupon for any purchase I would like to make. So those are 3 examples. That's affiliate marketing for you. It's a great way for you to make money passively, because people can use your referral link any time of the day. It doesn't involve your time, only one time producing the content with that affiliate marketing link. So thank you all so much for joining me today. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for you to be able to see all my brand new videos that I will be uploading. So thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you on the next video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Alright, thank you.